My name is Alessandro Sforzin. I am a software engineer from NEC Laboratories Europe, and I am the work package leader for Work Package 5, which is CyberSec for Europe's work package responsible for the development of the demonstrators. I think we had several successes over the past year. We produced two deliverables, D5.1 and D5.2, which are available on CyberSec for Europe website. And they describe in detail the demonstrators and their inner workings, as well as their validation strategy, which talks about what we think are the success criteria for the demonstrators. Then we kickstarted the collaboration with Work Package 3, which is the work package responsible for research and development. And this collaboration is going well. And in fact, a good portion of Work Package 3 results is being used in the development of the demonstrators, meaning that I think the project's research is of good quality and the project's iterative model works. In particular, as you know, Work Package 5 gave requirements to Work Package 3. Work Package 3 used them as a point of reference for its research work. And now Work Package 5 is using those results to create great demonstrators. So it was a good plan. We also presented 3 demonstrators demos at Convergence, the 4 pilots consultation event last December. And they were a great success. And Work Package 5 was asked to show more concrete results during the next events. Last but not least, we are collaborating with the other pilots to produce an inter-pilot use case in which Work Package 5 financial demonstrators play a key part. And this is a good opportunity to show how the 4 pilots can effectively work together, which is in line with the EU Commission plans. So it is especially significant that CyberSec for Europe Work Package 5 plays a central role in this work. Well, my expectation did not change. I knew we had good partners in our work package, and I think our first deliverable presented the demonstrators show that we had a lot of good ideas, bringing innovation in the vertical sectors that the project is tackling. And if anything, our latest successes confirm my expectation that we are on the right track. I think the new center in Bucharest is a step in the right direction for cybersecurity research in Europe. However, given that the development of our demonstrator is well underway, and because the new center won't be ready for action in the short term, I don't think its creation will impact Work Package 5 work. However, as I mentioned before, we are working with the other 3 pilots to have a joint financial use case, and then we'll definitely have a positive impact in our work package work because we are showing that we will working in line with the European Commission expectations. Well, as you can imagine, the pandemic did have an impact on the development of the demonstrators, and a few demonstrators had to delay their work because of the restriction put in place by the national governments to protect the citizens' health. However, we worked hard and we have already made up for the lost time. And I also think we gained something out of it. For example, the medical data sharing demonstrator had to partially stop working last year, in the spring last year, because healthcare personnel were very busy during the first wave of the pandemic, of course. But in response to the crisis, the medical data sharing demonstrator started working on a COVID-19 data exchange platform, which researchers, scientists, doctors, and even sovereign states can use to share useful data for their citizens.